Hi and welcome to BeatThatMaths, the home of easy learning maths. Today we're going to look at how to solve algebra level 4. Okay, this follows on from my other videos, introducing algebra, working ourselves all the way up, increasing in difficulty. Today, as always, I recommend that you get yourself warmed up and ready for your brain to deal with numbers and maths. If you haven't done this already, you can always check out one of my other videos and a quick warm up to maths. If you're ready, let's get cracking. So, level 4 algebra. What makes it difficult? Why level 4? Well, the only reason that I made this one level 4 is it's a little bit more complex than level 3. So in level 3, we've introduced the idea of dealing with multiple values. So we're now dealing in 2x, 3x, 4x, so on. But in level 3, the other parameters or other numbers will always just add or minus. In level 4, we're going to introduce the idea of multiplying and dividing, as well as then working our way back down to find out what the multiple values are. Okay, so hopefully our times table knowledge is up to date and we're ready to get going. So first things first, let's have a look at this example. 3y multiplied by 2 equals 24. So when it comes to this, our teachers can always have two different ideas, and they may give you one idea that works for one and won't work for something else. I don't believe in that. I believe in giving you the easiest possible way to solve this. I'm going to give you something that's going to make maths nice and consistent. So what you can do for multiplying, you can also apply the same principle, the same method to dividing as well. We keep things nice and easy on BeatThatMaths. So 3y multiplied by 2 equals 24. We know from level 3 and level 2, what we want to do is move that multiplied by 2 across to the right hand side of our expression, or the equal sign. So multiplied by 2, remember our rule from level 2 and 3. If we move something across the equal sign, it becomes the opposite. So that multiplied by 2 is going to become divide by 2. That's going to leave us 3y equals 24 divided by 2. We can simplify that. If we answer that first, we can say that 3y equals 12. So 3y equals 12, we need 12, we need to divide it up into 3 equal amounts. So 12 divided by 3, our answer for this one is y equals 4. If you're ready, guys, let's head on over to the whiteboard where we can run through a few more examples. As always, in the description box, you can find out a link to download a worksheet. If not, pencil and paper or whiteboard will be more than easy to work alongside me. Okay, so if you're ready, let's head over to the whiteboard and have a look.
Let's have a look at how to beat algebra level 4. Let's take a look at our first question. 2c divided by 3 equals 10. We could say something divided by 3 equals 10. And from our level 3 and 2 knowledge, we know that that divided by 3 needs to move to the other side. So it's going to become the opposite. The opposite of dividing is multiplying. So it's going to become multiply by 3. Therefore, 2c equals 10 multiplied by 3. 2c equals 30. And then from here, as we've done in level 3, that 30 needs split into two groups. So c equals 15. Easy, right? Let's have a look at one more. 3d multiplied by 4 equals 60. Again, we can say something multiplied by 4 equals 60. That multiplied by 4 is going to move to the other side. The opposite of multiplying is dividing. So it's going to be dividing by 4. Therefore, it equals 60 divided by 4. We can simplify that down to equal 15. Therefore, 3d equals 15. 15 divided by 3 will give us d equals 5. 15 into 3 equal groups is 5. d equals 5. Are you ready? Using our worksheet in front of us, it's time for our challenge. So these 5 questions will be on your worksheet. If you don't have the worksheet, that's fine. Write these down on your paper and feel free to pause the video to give yourself time to work them all out. And when you're ready, you can come back and resume the video. So let's have a look at our 5 questions. Question number 1. 2x divided by 4 equals 6. 3a multiplied by 3 equals 18. 5y multiplied by 2 equals 20. 4f divided by 2 equals 10. 7h divided by 4 equals 21. Again, I've just added in a little reminder that it doesn't matter what the letter is, it's still the same method. Okay, so as we are, question 1. 2x divided by 4 equals 6. That divided by 4 needs to move across and become the opposite. So it's going to be multiplied by 4. So our question becomes 2x equals 6 multiplied by 4. 2x equals 24. That means 24 now needs split into 2 equal groups. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So our answer for question 1 is x equals 12. For question 2, 3a multiplied by 3 equals 18. Now multiplied by 3 is going to move to the other side and become the opposite, which is divide by 3. 3a equals 18 divided by 3. 3a equals 6. 6 divided by the 3 gives us a equals 2. Question number 3, 5y multiplied by 2 equals 20. Now multiplied by 2 is going to move to the other side. It's going to become divide by 2. 5y equals 20 divided by 2. 5y equals 10. 10 then split into 5 equal amounts would be 2. So our answer is y equals 2. Really well done if you got that one. Let's have a look then to question 4. 4f divided by 2 equals 10. The divided by 2 will move across to become multiplied by 2. So 4f equals 10 multiplied by 2. 4f equals 20. And therefore, f equals 5 for question 4. Our very last one is 7h divided by 4 equals 21. Now divided by 4 is going to move across to become multiplied by 4. So our next line should be 7h equals 84. 84 needs divided up into 7, so it's our 7 times knowledge. So 7h equals 84. Divide that, and you should have an answer that h equals 12. Really well done, guys, if you managed to get all of those correct. That's Algebra Level 4 complete.
Really well done, guys. That is Level 4 Algebra done and completed. So really well done. I hope you find this video very useful and helpful. If you did, as always, I'd really love it if you give it a thumbs up, leave a comment for me. Also, before you go, always subscribe to the channel so you can keep updated with any new videos and new tips and tricks I can give you to help you with your math learning. Okay? Really well done. When you're ready, you can always try. Head on up to Level 5. Well done.